Everyone, we got a lot of filings to talk about today, so I'm just going to kind of blow through these. We have SR FICC 2021-009. We also have DTC 2021-017, as well as National Securities Clearing Corporation's NSCC 016, which are relatively the same, and it's about enhancing capital requirements. They're going to be taking this to court, or they're designating a longer period of commission action. Actually, they're not to the court stage just yet. So if the next period of time comes and they don't approve or disapprove this rule by this period of time, they'll likely take this to have a court proceedings done. And again, this one is to raise capital requirements on basically the smaller and medium players or participants more so than the large players, making it very, very it's a fragmented competitive environment when they do this. Basically, it's pushing the smaller players out, consolidating power at the big level. Same shit, different day. That's basically what it is. They're just saying, hey, we're going to designate a longer period of time, and that period of time is until February 12th, 2022, is when they should be making a decision whether to institute proceedings or to go ahead and approve it or request an amendment. We'll have to see what happens. But anyways, those are three knocked out, so I'll get the rest out to you as soon as I get them taken care of.